We are here with Charlene Patton and the Kansas Soybean Commission. We have a fun segment for everybody today. It is Bake for Family Fun Month, and with that, we're going to be making these cute little turtles over here, Charlene. I'm so excited for this.
It's such a great combination of working with the Kansas Wheat Commission and the Kansas Soybean Commission to get everybody in the kitchen. We want to get those kids in the kitchen with their parents to learn those baking skills. And if you've never made a yeast dough, I'm going to show you how easy it is.
Okay, this will be my first time,
Okay.
so hopefully we can do this well.
There's only 6 ingredients, and what I have in here to start with is just 1.5 cups of our soy flour blend, and you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of salt, and then our yeast. And this is just 1 package of rapid rise yeast. If you are using a bulk yeast, it's 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. Okay, now you're going to add our water, and this is 1 cup of warm water. And then we have 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, which is another soybean product.
Yes.
And you see how that's coming together?
Yeah, very
Now
much so.
you have some additional flour over
Okay.
there. Now it takes, the total amount is 2.5 to 3 cups. Go ahead, yeah, you just keep adding it, and I'll just keep stirring it.
Okay, and we like to do this in increments. For what reason?
Because then we can kind of see if it's coming together. Do you see how it's coming together and making our dough?
Gotcha.
It just is this is a beautiful dough. You could use this recipe. Now, yeah, I'll let you stop there because you might not need all of the flour.
Okay.
And what
I like that it's 2-part. It's kind of a 2-person deal.
It is,
bringing
isn't
the family together in the kitchen to make something fun.
Because you can teach the kids to measure, and you see how it's coming together?
Yes.
So what we will do now is we'll put it out on our board. We're going to knead it.
Okay.
And we'll knead it for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to just put this bowl over the top of it and let it rest for 10 minutes. And then in our second segment, we're going to actually use that dough to make our turtles.
Very fun. Look how cute these are. We're going to show you how to make these exactly. It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of excitement for this Bake for Family Fun Month. Charlene, where can people find out how to make this dough?
They can go to kansassoybeans.org, and then we also have the recipe book.
Yes.
So we want to mention that. This is a free recipe book from the Kansas Wheat Commission, and it is filled. If you want to do dough sculpting with your family, there are all kinds of ones for every season. There's some for Valentine's coming up. It's such a fun book. It's free, and the link to order it is on our website.
All right. Thanks so much, Charlene. We'll be right back.
Get the latest news, weather, and sports at WIBW.com or follow WIBW on Twitter, Facebook, and our mobile app.